for on an accountability side of things, we do keep track of sales and income on all of our different products and services. Our professional ag services group pretty much has its own balance sheet for income and expenses, so we can kind of keep track of how all of that is going. The nice thing with our group is, we have a lot of experience in our group. We have a lot of really good people, and the accountability side hasn't really been too much of an issue. We have some of the best guys in the industry, and with everybody working together and working towards that common goal. And then they also work alongside with our field sales agronomists and our operations group. And so on an accountability side, we really haven't had much issues with that, but we do have our own balance sheet, and we can keep track of that and set goals, set our forecasts, and work towards it that way. Over the last several years, we've had pretty consistent growth, probably around a 10, 15, 20% growth year over year over the last several years. This last year, with the economy and some of the challenges we've had in the industry, we maybe took a little bit of a dip, but on our equipment side, our precision equipment, that's where we've been seeing some really good growth. I think a lot of the customers are not going to be buying a lot of new equipment now, so we have the opportunity to upgrade that with add-on equipment aftermarket. Another couple areas we're seeing some good growth is the variable rate seeding and variable rate nitrogen, and tying those together. Guys are needing to be more efficient. We got to focus more on ROIs. If they can place that seed, that fertilizer more efficiently and do it economically, that's a big win for them. So the guys have been seeing a lot more benefit from doing that, and through some of our trials, through our research and development, through our on-farm trials, we're proving the ROI on these services. So they've been really taking off, and we're pretty excited about where that's going to be heading in the next couple of years. On our soil sampling, where we're doing either grid sampling or zone sampling, our advanced zones, and then coming back and doing variable rate fertilizer applications, we've been seeing really good return on investments, probably around a 2 to 3 to 1 on the variable rate fertilizers. On our seeding, our variable rate seeding, we've been doing that for probably 15 years, and we have a lot of data built up on that. And we've seen it anywhere from 8 to 15 bushel difference advantage to doing variable rate seeding over flat rate. In a lot of our territory, we cover a pretty big territory, so we have a lot of different soil types, a lot of different terrain, elevations, even a little bit on the climate, going across our territory for the area we cover. So doing the variable rate like that has really shown those positive ROIs. The industry is moving so fast now. There's almost daily changes to what we're doing and the technology that's available to our customers. So one of the things we're looking at down the road is being a little more specialized in certain areas. We'll have to ramp up our professional ag services group. The training and development is extremely huge. That has to be on the forefront, because as everything's changing so much, we have to be able to be that expert to our customer. And we will be adding probably more specialized positions, whether that's in nutrient management, whether that's in irrigation, whether it's data analysis, data management, things like that. So I think a big obstacle right now is just the rapid change and being able to keep up with that change.